came in.
National Security Agency.
We hope that you will continue in the spirit of what you have been doing, because everybody now is aware of the fact that there is improvement in the security situation in this nation. The security situation improvement came as a result of intelligence. Intelligence is a critical aspect of ensuring that there is security. So we are going to support you in whatever way possible to ensure that you critically perform the mandate that has been given to you.
The fight against insurgency, the fight against banditry and kidnapping has been taken very combatively, and the results that we have been expecting, we have started witnessing them.
Yes.
And we want to appreciate the Nigerian armed forces, appreciate the security agencies, appreciate the level of engagement and the level of the intervention that is being done. And as a committee that is saddled with overseeing these very critical agencies, we have a responsibility to ensure that under the provision of appropriation, that the security agencies, and particularly the offices that are appearing before us, are further empowered to undertake this very critical responsibility of securing this nation and safeguarding the lives of our citizens.
We've not been relenting, we will not relent, but we would want to urge this distinguished House to also understand the challenges that we've been facing in the context of the challenges of the 21st century. By the time I'm done with my brief, I'm sure a lot of light would have been shed on these issues. And like the distinguished senator from Katsina said, the issue of the National Security Agencies Act, I'm sure, is being handled at the level of the Senate President. I think he made some allusions to that during the just concluded two-day presidential midterm retreat held for members of the Federal Executive Council. So